How can small businesses in Afghanistan connect with international markets?
Okay, so here there are a number of challenges. I always say if you can't do it in your home market well, it is even more difficult to do it in international markets. And actually here in Afghanistan, there are numerous great opportunities, which I would later on love to talk about. In every sector across Afghanistan, there are opportunities, business opportunities to not only serve millions of people, but which are highly profitable with very high profit margins. So I would love to talk about that later, but to connect with international markets, I hear you have a number of challenges, of course, because at the moment Afghanistan is a sanctioned country, which makes it rather difficult to do business abroad. Just yesterday, I talked with a famous brand who are in herbal medicines and supplements, and he also shared, and the CEO shared with me, his difficult to getting the products out of the country. So it's not by just shipping it out, but there need to be certain export regulations being met, and actually it is sometimes, as he said, quite cumbersome to actually engage with a new government which is maybe less experienced in these matters to deal with international affairs. And we bounced around and we developed a number of solutions of how to actually overcome it. And we talked about, got very specific in these examples, and for the viewers that may be also helpful to consider, what we talked about is that a company like his could engage in partnership with a Pakistan company or Uzbekistan company to actually prepare, set a partnership, prepare the export licenses then through the government.